Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy KEKIUS Maximus token on any of the exchanges or any of the wallets of your choice. So first, we need to find out where we can actually buy KEKIUS Maximus coin. So in order to find that, you just have to simply come on coinmarketcap.com, and here in the search bar, you need to simply search for KEKIUS Maximus. Now once you search for it, you might find bunch of different other coins with the same name, but you need to make sure that you select the right ticker. Afterwards, you need to click on the markets option, and as soon as you click on it, you will see all of the centralized exchanges as well as the decentralized exchanges at which you can purchase this particular coin. If you want to buy it on any of your favorite exchanges, you just have to simply select the CEX option here, and you will see MEXC, Get.io, Bingex. So all of these are the exchanges on which you can buy KEKIUS Maximus. So let's say you want to purchase it on Bitunix, so you need to simply click on this link and it will redirect you on Bitunix. Over here you will see its chart, so you just have to simply just take a look at it, then sign up with your account. If you don't have an account, you just have to sign up for it. If you have an account, you need to simply log in into your account. After that, you just have to scroll down a bit and enter the amount in order to place your order. So you need to just provide the amount in USDT that you want to spend, and then it will show you the quantity of KEKIUS that you are going to get. Then you need to click on the buy option from the bottom, and this way you will be able to basically purchase KEKIUS Maximus on your exchange. Now let's say you want to buy it on the decentralized exchange, so you need to select DEX, and here you will see Uniswap. So you need to come on Uniswap first, and then you need to simply connect your MetaMask wallet with it. Over here, you need to make sure that you have some Ethereum on your account for the gas fees as well as for the transaction. Now you need to click on the select token option, and here you can type the ticker of KEKIUS, and let's see if we find it. So as you can see that it is not showing us KEKIUS at this moment. So in order to find it, you need to just come back on CoinMarketCap, and from here you need to just copy this contract address. After that, instead of searching for the name, you need to paste the contract address and then click on it. Now press continue, and as you can see that we have now KEKIUS here. Now you need to simply enter the amount of Ethereum that you want to basically spend in order to buy KEKIUS, and then it will show you the equivalent amount that you are going to get. Now you need to tap on the swap option in the bottom and conclude your transaction, and this way you will be able to buy it on a Uniswap as well. So before concluding this video, I would like to mention that this video is for educational purposes only, and I'm not a financial advisor and this is not a financial advice. So always do your own diligence before actually investing in any of the crypto coins or any of the meme coins. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, you can just let me know in the comments, and I'm here to help you out with that. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.